Okay, to install Wine 6.3 development version in Ubuntu 20.04 and 20.10, go to your terminal, type sudo dpkg-add-architecture i386. Okay, next copy and paste this command from either the description or a pinned comment. Okay, copy and paste this command. And if you're using 20.10 instead of focal, you're going to type in groovy. Okay, next, type sudo apt update and in sudo apt install install recommends winehq devel. Enter Y to continue. And lastly, we'll check the version by typing wine --version. And I have Wine 6.3 installed. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.